Perfection is a fool's errand. If you are trying to make the perfect product, you are going to fail. Because number one, the product is never perfect. If the product ever reaches perfection, you're also on your way out. But if you are chasing perfection, then you're always going to be 1% away, because technology changes so fast and the markets change so fast that you will always be behind. And if you're ever ahead, congratulations, because you're going to be behind again here real soon. So get used to that. But if you're chasing perfection, you will never have a product done. The point of any product or any startup is to get it sold as soon as you can. If you are not selling anything, you do not have a company, you are not an entrepreneur. You are an inventor in a garage. Congratulations, glad you have an idea. You don't have anything valuable right now. You have an idea. Everybody and their grandma has ideas. But until you sell it, you do not have a business. And you don't have a sustainable business until you're making a profit and selling them over and over and over again. So if you have a product, get it so that it works, so that it provides value to the customer as soon as possible. Even if it looks a little bit duct tape and spit to you, make sure that it looks finished to a customer and does what they need. This is minimum viable product. This is not minimum viable crap. This is not a garbage prototype or anything like that. It is a polished product, but it is as little as you have to provide value to the customer. The minimum valuable product, something someone will give you money for. However low, unpolished, or featureless you can go to have somebody give you money for that thing, that is when you start selling, which means that as soon as you have a working prototype, you are trying to sell it. And as soon as you have a finished version, it had better be moving out the door. And if it's not moving out the door and you have a semi-finished version that people are willing to pay for and it's not moving, you have a sales problem. You don't have a product problem. You have a problem with how it's presented or how you're selling, or you're not selling hard enough. And that's a whole different deal. But get the minimum product that you provides value to the customer, and then start perfecting from there. Once you have sales coming in that will actually sustain the company, to sustain that chasing of the 1% towards perfection, which you will never achieve. But at least you have a direction to go and some place to start from of actual sales.